Now today we are going to study about the polynomials. It is the second chapter of our syllabus. About polynomials you are going to study in class 9 also. Here again we will discuss about polynomials. Everyone is aware of polynomials. The name is polynomials. It is made of poly and nomials. Poly means many, nomials means terms. Algebraic expressions having many terms are said to be polynomials with certain conditions. What should be certain conditions? In each terms, the algebraic expressions which are given, we see in each terms of expressions where variables are coming, then the exponent of variables must be positive integers. Okay, that is a condition for being a polynomial of given algebraic expression. Okay, now you can define it as a polynomial Px, P for polynomial x variable, polynomial over x means in the expression which are given, the variable should be x everywhere. In each terms, the variable should be x in the form of x. So a polynomial Px is in the form of Px, and Px is written as a0 plus a1x plus a2x plus a2x square plus 1 plus ax to the power a, where a0, a1, a2 and so on a are constant. Constant means real numbers. And the exponent of variables should be positive integers. Means in each term of the given algebraic expressions where variables are coming, then the exponent of variables must be positive integer, must be natural numbers. Okay? Now, in the format of the polynomials, it starts from a0. A0 here is given constant. If Px is equal to a0, this is real number, and real number is constant, so it is known as constant polynomial. Like example, Px is equal to 2, Px is equal to minus 3, Px is equal to 1 by root 2. It has only one terms and it is form of real numbers. So expression which is one terms, having one terms and it is the form of real number. You know, every number is a real number. It may be integers, may be irrational, natural, whole number. Every number is said to be a real number. We are talking about the real number here. Okay, so if the expression is given only real number, then it is called constant polynomials. Okay, you know, if there is only one term, then it is called monomial. If there are two terms, it is called binomial. If there are 3 terms, it is called trinomials. If there are 4 terms, biquadratic, like this and so on. So there is a constant polynomials. Now I am giving the examples of the expressions which is polynomial. 3 plus 2x is a polynomial because out of 2 terms, one term is real number only and the second term is real number and constant are there and variable are there. So the exponent of variable is plus 1 positive integers. So 3 plus 2x is a polynomial. Next example, minus 2 plus x plus 3s square. This is also polynomials because in terms second and third, where the variables are there, the exponent of variables in second term is plus 1 and third term is plus 2, which are positive integers, means natural number. So by definition of polynomials, minus 2 plus x plus 3x square is a polynomial. Okay? Now it is given in so many terms, but where the variables are coming, first you rearrange the variables. Always rearrange the variables should be with numerators. Suppose the variable is given like this, x plus 1 minus s square. So first you rearrange x plus s square by applying law of exponent. Now check in each term the exponent of variables are coming positive integer or not. Here the first term the exponent of x is plus 1 and second term exponent of variable plus 2. Both are positive integers, therefore it is a polynomial. Okay? So first we look the given expression or the right expression. If it already rearranged, means variables are with numerator in each terms, then to check whether the exponent of variables in each term are coming positive integer or not. If in all terms the exponent of variables are coming positive, then the given expression is polynomial. But if out of given terms where the variables are there, if any one of the terms in which variables have exponent negative integers, then you cannot say it is a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Like this, suppose you are taking 2x plus 3s square plus 1 by root 5 x raised to the power minus 3. Now there are 3 terms. In first term is satisfied. The format of the second term also satisfied because the exponent of variables is positive integer, second term also, first term also. But in third terms, the exponent of variables is negative, minus 3, which is negative integers. Therefore, the given expression is not polynomial. Okay? Now, question may be asked. Some expressions are given. Now check whether the given expressions are polynomial or not. First, you rearrange all terms in which variables are coming. All variables should use numerators by bringing it denominator to numerators with application of laws of exponent. Then, if all values in each terms are its numerator, then check the exponents of variables in each terms are coming positive or not. If in each terms of the given expressions the exponents of variables are coming positive, then it is confirmed it is a polynomial. But after rearranging out of given terms, if any one terms has exponent negative integers, then it is not a polynomial. So, by applying these conditions, you can say whether the given expressions are polynomial or not. Okay? Now, second, a polynomial has only one terms which is real number, then you can say the polynomial is said to be constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. It gives every real number is a constant polynomial. Okay? You can say every real number is a constant polynomial because it has only one term which is real number. Okay? So that is the way to identify the given expression is polynomial or not. There are so many questions are found in books, and if you understand it clearly, then you can give the answer quickly or confidently. Okay? By applying the definitions of polynomials. Now, second terms we have to study degree of polynomial. Now, write down degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. It is defined as the highest exponents of variables of a polynomial is called the degree of polynomial. Example, the highest power of variables of a given polynomial is called the degree of polynomial. Now we are writing 3 plus 2x plus 4x square. Now that is a polynomial. Here there are 3 terms. In third term, the exponent of variables is highest. So 2 is the degree of polynomial. Okay? So given polynomials, the exponent of the highest power of values of a polynomial is called the degree of polynomial. Okay? Now suppose I am writing 3x plus term of 3 minus x square plus x plus 1. It is a polynomial. So highest power of values is 3. Therefore degree of this polynomial is Okay. Now remarks. A constant polynomial has degree 0. Means degree of constant polynomial is zero. Degree of constant polynomial. Degree of constant polynomial is 0. Okay. Remark first. Now remark second. Degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Okay. Because in the definitions, if Px has only real number, and you know 0 is also real number, if it is here Px is equal to 0, then it is said zero polynomial. Okay. So zero polynomial, degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Okay. So means that is the way by which you can say what is the degree of polynomials and how will identify the given algebraic expression is a polynomial or not. You remember two things. The degree of polynomial is the degree of constant polynomial is 0 and the degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Okay.